SVR!
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Covington, Allegheny County, Virginia, Giles County.
First alert on WXL 60, wow.
Western Virginia, Bass County, northwestern Bottomatok County, northwestern Montgomery County and southwestern Virginia, southeastern Greenbrier County and southeastern West Virginia, southeastern Summers County and southeastern West Virginia, east central Mercer County and southeastern West Virginia, Monroe County and southeastern West Virginia, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Cass Scenic Railroad to near Pearisburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 10:45 p.m. a downtree was reported in...
Whoa, down tree reported.
Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Blacksburg, Christiansburg, Allegheny,
Well, Blacksburg's in this.
Lewisburg, and Pearisburg. This includes the following locations: Virginia Tech and the West Virginia State Fairgrounds.
Wow.
And now it's...
Oh my gosh, it's huge!
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg. The city of Buena Vista, Central
Dude! KZZ28 is relaying!
County,
Midwest, KZZ28 is relaying!
Floyd County, Western Virginia, Roanoke County, County, Lexington, Virginia,
I did not know I was gonna relay.
County in South Central Virginia, northwestern Anderson Locations impacted include Roanoke, Blacksburg, Salem, Christiansburg, Radford, Vinton. This includes the following locations: Virginia Tech, VMI, the Salem Fairgrounds, the National D-Day Memorial, and Roanoke Regional Airport. Winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows.
Blacksburg surprise SVR!
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Allegheny County, Virginia, the city of Buena Vista, the city of Lexington, Rockbridge County,
Oh my god!
eastern Bath County, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Millboro, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs,
Whoa!
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Buena Vista, Glasgow, Goshen, Millboro, Collierstown, and Rockbridge, Mass. This includes the following location VMI.
Well, this Blacksburg for the surprise SVR!
Warning.
So we've got a storm warning!
Lynchburg with their surprise SVRs.
Really nice. Special weather statement. You want to be? What is that?
County, Bedford County, Monmouth County, the city of Lynchburg, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Wait! The city of Lynchburg?
Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Buchanan to near peaks of Otterson,
Oh.
moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, not indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Bedford, Alta Vista, Buchanan, Hudson, Big Island, and Molina. This includes the following locations: Liberty University, the National D-Day Memorial, and Lynchburg Airport.
You have to pay for this. You have to pay for this.